The process of CNC machining consists of three main stages: design, programming, and machining. First, design the CAD model according to the requirements of the desired product, and import it into CAM software for programming. Uploading the program to the machine's controller after programming is complete. The machine is controlled by commands from the controller. The machine can perform a variety of machining operations during the machining process. For example, drilling, milling, cutting, etc. The tool and workpiece on the machine can be accessed via 3 coordinate axis movement to achieve precise machining processes. CNC machining has many advantages. First of all, it can produce high precision and high quality products, highly repeatable and controllable. Secondly, CNC machining can improve production efficiency, reduced cost and lead time. Finally, CNC machining can handle a variety of complex geometries and structures to meet a wide range of needs.